Are you ready to transform your bedroom space with style and function? Say hello to the SNM_BTDNG Bedside Table Nightstand, where modern design meets practical storage. Whether you're updating your home interior or furnishing a guest room, this piece adds elegance, convenience, and charm in one go. Crafted for today's modern living, the SNM_BTDNG Nightstand features a sleek finish and clean lines that complement any decor. With spacious drawers and a sturdy tabletop, it offers ample storage for your essentials. Books, chargers, lamps, even your midnight snacks, made with high-quality wood and durable hardware. It's built to last while enhancing your room's ambiance. Let's talk feedback, because our customers love it. It fits perfectly next to my bed, and the drawers slide like butter. It gave my bedroom a whole new look. Super easy to assemble, and the quality is better than expected. With over dozens of satisfied buyers, the SNM_BTDNG is becoming a favorite in homes across the country. The SNM_BTDNG isn't just a nightstand. It's a statement piece. The neutral color palette and minimalist design ensure it blends beautifully in any setting. Whether you're going for cozy, contemporary, boho chic, or classic, place it in your bedroom, office corner, or even the hallway. Its versatility shines everywhere. Think you need to break the bank for a designer look? Think again. The SNM_BTDNG offers premium quality and timeless design at a fraction of the price you'd pay elsewhere. Whether you're redecorating a new apartment or upgrading an existing space, this is value you can see and feel. We stand behind every product we sell, and the SNM_BTDNG is no exception. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we offer support and assistance every step of the way. From fast delivery to simple assembly instructions, we make your experience hassle-free and enjoyable.